natural health for beginners.
How to make rosemary water for hair growth. Are you looking for a natural solution to support hair growth and enhance scalp health? Rosemary water could be your new go-to remedy. In this YouTube video, titled, How to Make Rosemary Water for Hair Growth, you'll learn how to create a potent homemade hair treatment that has been praised for its ability to promote thicker, healthier hair. What you'll learn: benefits of rosemary for hair growth. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It can improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulate hair follicles, and combat dandruff. Simple ingredients: fresh or dried rosemary, a few sprigs. Water, about 2 cups. Optional, a few drops of essential oils like lavender or peppermint for added benefits. Step-by-step instructions. Boil the water. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a small pot. Add rosemary. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add your fresh or dried rosemary. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the water to absorb the nutrients and essence of the rosemary. Cool and strain. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Strain out the rosemary leaves, leaving you with nutrient-rich rosemary water. Store and apply. Transfer the rosemary water into a spray bottle for easy application. You can spray it directly onto your scalp and hair as a leave-in treatment or use it as a rinse after shampooing. Apply 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Benefits of consistent use. With regular use, rosemary water can potentially help reduce hair thinning, strengthen hair, and give it a natural shine. It's chemical-free, cost-effective, and a great addition to your hair care routine. This video simplifies the process of making rosemary water at home and shows you how to use it effectively for promoting hair growth. Whether you're battling hair thinning or simply looking to boost your hair's health naturally, rosemary water might just be the game changer you need. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.